Hello people, this is Sanket and today we are at my farm where we have a couple of cows here. So uh, many of my friends were asking me to give you or make a video of this farm, kind of a tour of the farm so that they get an idea about it. All right. So I'm gonna show you what kind of shades that we have built. So basically I have made the whole plan of this shade and the processes and everything, and yeah, that's it. So let's take you there. All right guys, for the reference, the road that you are seeing is Pune Nashik highway. So this place is situated near Arefata, and this is fodder grass that you are seeing in front of me. All right guys, so let's go and I'll show you something. So this is the shed we made for parking. The shade that with two shutters is for basically to there is something called as concentrate, so we can there is a machine for that, and we can produce or make our feed in this shade. And just let's go there. Alright guys, this is very big shade which is to make feed inside there. And so this is our tractor. It's John Deere 5310, 55 horsepower basically. This is storage shed where we store our dry fodder, you can see. And that's the Scorpio. All right, let me show you something from here. All right guys, so this is the feeding alley, and these are the cows. Actually milking session is going on, so they are tied, otherwise they are roaming freely in their sections. And you can see that the milk is the milking happens with the help of machines right now. Actually we have planned for a parlor, but we haven't made anything yet. So currently we need to try these cows and milk them accordingly. So as you can see, these are the sections which will contain animals, and these are the feeding alleys where we keep feeding cows, right? So next thing I want to show you how the bedding of this internal subsections are. So let's go there, and I'll show you something interesting. Let me get inside this thing. All right, so as you can see, the cow dung is there, and we have spread little bit of hay as well into it, which makes this bedding extremely soft and very comfortable. Yeah, yeah, that's it. All right guys, so this is the water trough. So whenever cow feels thirsty, they come here and they drink water, like however they want to drink it. So guys, that's all about it for today. Do let me know in comment section how you like the video. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. All right,